how to get more karma on Reddit easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get more karma easy on Reddit. So first thing, all what you have to do on Reddit to get karmas fast is posting on the communities, posts or videos or memes or whatever, and also you should start trying to reply to comments and talk with people and be active and engaging, because this will actually help you a lot to get more karma. And I hope this video is helpful for you, because this is the only answer. There is nothing else. The only answer to get karma is by posting posts like this person right here. As you can see, you should just post and get people to active with you, and also reply to comments and help people here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much.